Cathie Wood-backed Solana Treasury explodes 50% after revealing aggressive M&A and SOL buys. Digital Asset Treasury. SOL. Solana. Solmate Infrastructure is leveraging its significant capital and discounted SOL token treasury to aggressively build and acquire foundational parts of the Solana ecosystem from its new strategic hub in the UAE. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 3 hours ago. Solmate Infrastructure, a Cathie Wood-backed Solana-focused digital asset treasury, saw its shares soar by nearly 50% on Wednesday after unveiling plans for an aggressive mergers and acquisition strategy and confirming additional Solana, SOL, purchases at discounted market prices. The Nasdaq-listed company, SLMT, which recently rebranded from Brera Holdings, announced that it has completed assembly of its first validator hardware in the United Arab Emirates and is preparing to launch what it calls the region's first performant Solana validator. The validator, housed in a newly selected UAE data center, is part of Solmate's plan to integrate real infrastructure with its expanding digital asset treasury. Solmate buys SOL at discount after $50 million acquisition. According to a company release, Solmate purchased SOL tokens at a historic discount to market prices to support its validator operations. The company did not disclose the purchase size, but earlier this month, it confirmed a $50 million acquisition of SOL tokens at a 15% discount during what it described as the worst liquidation event in crypto history. The company's stock climbed to an intraday high of $12.55 before settling at $11.70, giving Solmate Infrastructure a market capitalization of roughly $754 million. The move follows ARK Invest's recent disclosure of an 11.5% ownership stake in Solmate, signaling growing institutional interest in Solana-based treasury and infrastructure ventures. Chief Executive Officer Marco Santori, former Chief Legal Officer at Kraken, said the company's M&A push will focus on strategic acquisitions across the Solana value chain rather than simple revenue-driven deals. "We aren't interested in bolting on smaller companies," Santori said. "We're targeting businesses for which our SOL treasury will be fuel for their engine of growth, just like it is for ours." The company also announced an amendment to its registration rights agreement for its oversubscribed $300 million private investment in public equity, PIPE, financing. The registration statement for PIPE investors is expected to be filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission by November 22. Solmate said the amendment provides greater flexibility as it completes infrastructure projects and prepares for additional acquisitions. Notably, Solmate's $300 million financing round, completed in September, drew backing from ARK Invest, the Solana Foundation, early Solana investor RockawayX, and UAE-based Pulsar Group. The company's board includes economist Dr. Arthur Laffer and RockawayX CEO Victor Fisher, while the Solana Foundation holds the right to appoint 2 directors. Solana sees record institutional holdings as 20 firms control $3.86 billion in SOL. Notably, data from the Strategic Solana Reserve shows that 20 institutional entities now hold more than 20.3 million SOL, valued at roughly $3.86 billion, representing about 3.5% of the token's circulating supply. The combined staking reserves among these entities exceed $1.8 billion, yielding an average of 7.7%. Forward Industries leads institutional holdings with 6.82 million SOL worth approximately $1.29 billion. The company recently established a 25-member crypto advisory board, including industry figures such as Helium founder Amir Halim, Drift Labs Cindy Liao, and Superstate CEO Robert Leshner. Helios Medical Technologies, rebranded as HSDT Solana Company, holds about 2.2 million SOL valued at $417 million. The firm recently announced additional acquisitions less than 3 weeks after completing a $500 million private placement, led by Pantera Capital, with potential expansion to $1.25 billion through stapled warrants. DeFi Development Corporation also deepened its SOL reserves this month, increasing holdings by 4.7% to $426 million despite a recent market downturn. The company said the purchase reflects its confidence in Solana's long-term value, even as major institutions such as BlackRock reportedly reduced exposure amid geopolitical volatility. The company said the purchase reflects its confidence in Solana's long-term value, even as major institutions such as BlackRock reportedly reduced exposure amid geopolitical volatility. Other notable players include Sharps Technology, with 2.14 million SOL worth $405 million. Upexi Incorporated, holding 2 million SOL valued at $379 million, and Solana-focused biotechnology firm Solana Company, HSDT, now controlling over $500 million in combined assets. Across the market, institutional adoption of Solana continues to deepen. VisionZeus AI recently unveiled a $2 billion Solana Treasury initiative in partnership with Marinade Finance, while Fitel Corporation secured a $100 million credit line to build a Solana-based treasury under its planned rebrand as Solana Australia Corporation. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. Major crypto analyst warns of inevitable XRP supply shock in 2025. Is XRP about to pump? Ripple's $1 billion XRP treasury sends social metrics soaring. According to Lunar Crush metrics, Fed proposes letting stablecoin issuers access banking system directly without banks. Live XRP price developments. October 22nd, Japanese firm Gumi joins Ripple and SBI in Evernorth's XRP treasury deal. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 22nd, 2025. Crypto market erases gains after rebound. As U.S.-China trade tensions escalate, Bitcoin drops to $108,000. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Crypto regulation news. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. 2 days ago, by Anas Hassan. Altcoin news. Why is crypto down today? October 22nd, 2025. 1 day ago, by Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1st, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 19 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 15 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 7 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 hour ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.